For today's recipe, we'll be making chicken tiberio. And the ingredients for this dish: white wine, grape tomatoes, shiitake mushroom, some veal stock, baby arugula, some all-purpose flour, and some chicken tenders. Coat the bottom of a heated sauté pan with some extra virgin olive oil. Dredge the chicken in the flour and sauté. Now that the chicken has browned, you want to turn it to the other side and get the other side browned. We deglaze the pan with white wine. Add the shiitake mushrooms, some grape tomatoes, and the veal stock. We're going to let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes until all the ingredients come together and form a sauce. Place the chicken on the plate and add the baby arugula to the sauce. Mix it up. We just wilt the arugula slightly and place it over the chicken.